If you're experiencing a verification pending status on RoboForm, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received the verification email from RoboForm. Look in your inbox and spam folder for any messages that may have been missed. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you can't find the verification email, go to the RoboForm login page and select the option to resend the verification email. Follow the prompts to have it sent to your registered email address. Step 3. Click the verification link. Once you receive the email, open it and click on the verification link provided. This action should confirm your account and update the status from pending to verify. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to RoboForm's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they can help you resolve the verification pending status. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending issue on RoboForm quickly. If you continue to face difficulties, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.